this is going to be for the Aratori shot.
Do this without line.
Okay. Turn it over and do a gesture first. So your gestural line first. You get your way your hand wants it to go. Doesn't have to be your first line. Yeah, that's it. So it's just really moving the hand around. But I don't commit to the paper. And I gently go down to the paper because you don't have to have it all smooth. You can have it all loosey-goosey and textured if you want to. Your hand is your biggest friend. And because drawing is about creating three-dimensional objects on a two-dimensional plane, so it's basically magic and trickery. Oh, Mark, brilliant. So Mark's done a nice big beefy shape. See, they're all different. So now with the eye, go right in there and start with the light catching the highlight. But it'll be how you like where it was really yourself. That's it. There you go. It's come out of your psyche. There it is. There it is. Yeah, they could be like he's crash landed and he's just very awkwardly sitting somewhere. Yeah. I'll get off in a minute. I'll get off. Okay, now try shape. The little nose here, around the snout like that. Look at that. Snout. Yeah. Snout.
Finalised. Yeah.
Yeah. So you could have its legs coming right down and stand it up. Oh, I love it. He's getting back legs as well. We've got lots of different animals. They love them all. They can all go off and have a cup of coffee and solve all the world's problems, baby.